खुलुमबाय गिबियावनो बयनिसिमबो गाहाम हामलायनायखौ जासिहरबाय दिनैनि प्राइम 24 हेडलाइन स्टुडियाव धेमाजि जिल्ला सानजारि नोगोरनिफ्राय रादाबखौ फरायदों आं आमिना सरगियारि दिनैनि गाहाय रादाबफोरा जाबाय सोनाब बंगनि सिङाव थानाय कचबिहार बानुगमारि ड्रीम एंगल्स एकाडेमियाव केपासिटी बिल्डिं ट्रेनिं प्रग्रामखौ सानसेनि हाबाफारि लाना खुंनाय जादों हायद्राबादाव सासे देहा फाहामगिरि आइजोखौ जिनाहारि खालामना जिउ फोजोबदों अस्ट्रेलियानि डेभिड वार्नारनि गोदान जारिमिन सोरजिथाय दानिया फैदो आबुं रादाबाव 30 नभेम्बर खालारखालि सोनाब बंगनि सिङाव थानाय कचबिहार बानुगमारि ड्रीम एंगल्स एकाडेमियाव केपासिटी बिल्डिं ट्रेनिं प्रग्रामखौ सानसेनि हाबाफारि लाना खुंनाय जादों बे हाबाफारियाव गाहाय आलासि महरै बाहागो लायो गसाइगाव बीएड फरायसालिमानि गोरायुं डक्टर अजित बर' लोगोसे गसाइगाव बीएड फरायसालिमानिनो फोरोंगिरि श्री मिकराज ब्रह्म बिथांमोना बाहागो लायो मख'जाथावदि बे केपासिटी बिल्डिं ट्रेनिं प्रग्रामाव डक्टर अजित बर' बिथाङा फोरोंगिरिफोरखौ मोनथाम आयदा जेरै टीचिं स्किल्स क्लासरूम मैनेजमेंट आरो टीएलएम नि सायाव गुवारै फोरमायना होयो
Said that teaching is not a simple task. If you go on dictating, if you ask the students to write down the notes, ready-made notes, this is not a good teaching. Again, if you go on exhibiting the TLM or division aids just to attract the students, this may not also be helpful. Because audiovisuals are used not to attract the mind of the students, but to give the better education, to make the student understand everything, to make everything easily understandable. So, the management of the classroom, as I have told, is nothing but the control of the classroom situation. As soon as the teacher enters the classroom, he has to organize the situation inside the classroom. He has to.
लोगोसे गसाइगाव बीएड फरायसालिमानिनो फोरोंगिरि श्री मिकराज बिथाङाबो टीचिंग मेथडनि सायाव गुवारै बिजिरना होयो
Okay, so I'm reading it. Teaching is an essential part of education. Its special function is to impart knowledge, develop understanding and skill. It generally includes inculcation of values and skills. It is usually associated with imparting of knowledges of 3 R's. This is the reading, writing and arithmetic, representing various school subjects. The important aspect of education cannot operate in isolation, or this important aspect, the teaching, cannot operate in isolation. Okay? It needs methodology of teaching. Thus, teaching is a interconnected and interlinked concept involving of various other important aspects such as teacher himself, then the principles of teaching, theories, strategies of teaching, skills of teaching, maxims of teaching, and more vitally, the methodology of teaching. Okay? So now, methodology of teaching comprises principles and methods used by teachers to enable the learning of the learners. The strategies and principles are determined thirdly on subject matter to be taught. I'm reading once again. The strategies and principles are determined thirdly on subject matter to be taught, and thirdly by the nature of the learner. There is 2 aspects in the methodology of teaching. How we choose the methodology of teaching? Number 1 is thirdly on a subject matter to be taught. Based on your relation, you got to choose your methodology of teaching. Number 1. Number 2, that is the nature of the learner. Learner is the students. Am I right? Based on the individual difference, based on the age, right? You got to choose your methodology of teaching. You cannot apply lecture method in primary schools because lecture method is for higher education. You cannot use storytelling method in higher education because storytelling method is for the primary education only. Am I right? So on these two bases, you got to choose your method of teaching. Number one, based on subject matter to be taught. Second one is nature of your learners, students. For the particular teaching method to be appropriate and effective, it has to be in relation with characteristics of the learner and a type of learning it is supposed to bring about. Now, exactly what does it mean by methodology of teaching? The word method is often used very loosely. It has been supposed to involve a body of fixed stereotype modes of procedure. It's applicable to its appropriate subject as a kind of rituals to be observed by all teachers in all circumstances.
बावैसो सिगां मोनाबिलिनि 9 रिंगायाव हायद्राबादनि सासे 22 बोसोरनि आइजो जुनार फाहामगिरिखौ फाहामसालिनिफ्राय न'सिम थांबाय थानाय समाव साब्रै सुबुङा जिनाहारि खालामना केरासिनजों सावना जिउ फोजोबदों। सुलु मोननाय बायदिब्ला बिथाङा थांबाय थानाय समाव स्कुटिया पाम्पसार जायो। बे समावनो बिथाङा मोनाबिलिनि 4:45 समाव बिनानावनो कल खालामना फोरमायदोंमोन। बेनि 20 मिनिटनि उनाव बिनानावा कल बेक खालामफिननायाव मबाइला अफ जायो आरो बिनानावा नागिरनो थाङो। नाथाय बै समाव दुखुथिया देहा फाहामगिरिया जिउ गोमाबायमोन। बेबायदि अनागारि हाबा मावनायखौ नुना रोजा रोजा सुबुंफोरा दायनिगिरिखौ जिउ फोजोबनो होस्रिखावदों। 29 नभेम्बर खालारनिफ्राय अस्ट्रेलियानि हेंथायै पाकिस्ताना इन्टारनेशनेल टेस्ट मेच गेलेनाय जादों। बे खेलाव अस्ट्रेलियाया गिबि खेबावनो 3 विकेट जाना 589 रान खालामो आरो पाकिस्ताना गिबियाव 9 विकेट जाना 299 रान खालामो। बे खेलावनो अस्ट्रेलियानि डेभिड वार्नारआ 418 बलाव 335 रान खालामो। बिथाङा गासै खेबसे 6 आरो खेब 39 4 बुना ट्रिपल सेन्चुरि रान खालामना जिउआव जारिमिन सोरजियो। बे खेलावनो अस्ट्रेलियानि मार्नुसआ 162 रान खालामनो हायो। एसेयावनो दिनैनि रादाबखौ फोजोबनाय जाबाय।